Hey everybody, first quarter moon in Sagittarius occurs September 3rd, 2022. I chose to do a black tea for this lunar cycle, and I chose Lapsang Shushang. I added organic roses as well as pure vanilla extract. The Lapsang Shushang boosts the metabolism of fat cells, which may enable the body to burn fat more quickly and more effectively. The roses are high in antioxidants and reduce inflammation through the body, and as well as reducing anxiety. And vanilla is great for your hair, helps with the anxiety, and helps promote a healthy digestion. While the tea is steeping, I shuffled the Kangyi Oracle deck, and we received two messages. Tao, which talks about flow, always nurturing life into creation, always presenting steps and solution, and always reminding us that we are perfect at this moment. And the goddess of spring. She talks about healing and transformation. The information for the cards, if you're interested, is in the box below, as well as the information for the tea. In this lunar cycle, in the first quarter moon, it talks about finding solutions to challenges, especially for the new intentions that we put in place during the new moon. If you like this video, please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Grazie, amore e luce. Until next time, ciao.